Oh, hello. Welcome to Mr. Wu's math preparation channel. Now it's 100, more than 165 videos for this channel. So now if you haven't subscribed to this channel, now it's time to do so. So you can access all those videos by just clicking the bell button. So take advantage of using all those videos published. All right, today we're going to do integration problems. So we have a curve rotating x-axis about axis. So we have a curve. So this curve is y equal to k plus 1. K is an unknown coefficient sine kx. So we're going to use the volume. So rotating this curve. So we will get a volume formula to solve for k equal to what? All right, so what I'll do is I'm going to use the formula. We know the volume is if it's around about rotating about the x-axis. So don't forget to put a square. Or some people using y square. That's fine. Some people prefer using y square. That's the same. All right, I'm going to use this. So let's do, so volume we know is pi from A is 0 to pi over 2k. Y is a plus 1 square sine, then we also put a square there with respect to x. So what I'll do is I'm going to move pi k plus 1 square outside, so we become sine square only. Now the question is how we solve for sine square integration. So we're going to use another formula called, I'm going to put it here. So we're going to use cosine square. We're going to change to half of 1 plus cosine double angle. All right, so we're going to do that. So first, I'm going to change the sine to cosine. So this is the called downgrade. So because d square, we can change to non-square. So I'm going to say pi k plus 1. So we're going to change to 1 minus cosine. All right, so once we do that, then we can do the double angle formula. So that is 1 half, so we put a half there. So double angle formula is very handy when you do this sort of a square with a square. All right, so that's then dx. So now we're going to integrate it. So pi k plus 1 square. So let's do first, actually before we do, one more simplify. So 1 take half is half minus, so we're going to expanding the bracket. So it'll be half cosine 2 kx. Dx. So I'm going to do now, so we're going to use this now. So the volume equal to, so that's pi copy k plus 1 square. So integrate half, which will be half x, half. Now integrating cosine become sine, but you need to times by 2k, so it'll become 4k sine 2kx. So from 0 to pi over 2k. So now we plug in to this integration, k plus 1 square. So plugging become pi over 4k minus, now when you plug into pi over 4k, become 4k sine become pi. Then you minus 2 zeros. So final will be pi k plus 1 square. Now this is also 0. All right, so the final term left is 4k. So that's simplified to 4k underneath pi square. That's it. So now, but we need to solve for k. So because we know volume is already given as pi square, so therefore pi square divided by 4k, k plus 1 square equal to pi square. So now we cancel those two terms out. So that gives us k plus 1 square equal to 4k. So then further expanding the brackets, k squared plus 2k plus 1 equal to 4k. So therefore k squared minus 2k plus 1 equal to 0. So k minus 1 squared equal to 0. So therefore k equal to 1. So that's it. We solved that integration problem and with unknown coefficient k. Thank you for watching. If you loved the video, please give us the thumbs up. Then we will see you next video. Bye.